Coffins, one next to another, next to another, next to another, lined up in a church in northern Italy, the epicenter of this country's coronavirus outbreak. Social distancing means family and friends can't say their final farewells. The sick were all alone as they lay dying. They were people, says Father Mario Carminati, who died without anyone to hear or see them, without the possibility to talk to their loved ones, with no one to comfort them. But now COVID-19 has killed more people in Italy than anywhere else on Earth. The public health system, one of Europe's best, has been pushed to the limits. The disease has killed more than 50 medical personnel. More than 7,000 have fallen ill. Italy has been under lockdown for almost 3 weeks. Severe measures may be starting to bear fruit, says Dr. Moreno Tresoldi. We should see less people arriving in the emergency ward, he says, and we will be able to better look after patients. Even if the numbers are starting to level out, the damage coronavirus has done to this country is breathtaking. Friday evening, the 24-hour death toll was 969. Saturday evening, the authorities reported another 889 people had died. If there's light at the end of this tunnel, it is at best a faint glimmer.
Good morning. This is how we start today in the new quarantine shutdown. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning now. I've read some newspapers online. I have some other stuff to do. This little room is where I spend a lot of time. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning now. This is the street behind our house. Usually there's people out and about. You can see laundry people been out, but you just don't ever see anybody out so much. They just locked down everything, and now it's very much different. We're not allowed to go between towns unless you have a valid reason, and the valid reasons are very few. Yeah, there's a park right here next to us that used to be full of kids, especially when they first closed the schools, but the Carabinieri came and made them all go home, so they can't gather. It's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon now. This is where I keep myself busy in the afternoons, trying to stay out of trouble. It's an unknown danger. I mean, it could be nowhere and it could be everywhere. Another day on virus lockdown. Not much to do. Not much different. It's so quiet you can hear water running at somebody else's house down the street. I have never seen anything like this before. It's like a ghost town.